is part like 6 or something. I don't know. I already uploaded 5 videos. Well, there's a hole in the building one from the Hurricane Irene. No, that wasn't from Hurricane Irene. That was before Hurricane Irene, was it? I don't know. It's some strong kind of wind or whatever. Yeah, after. From that weird rainstorm, whatever. It wasn't even from Hurricane Irene. It was just like a storm. Lost power. There was a bunch of hail. Yeah, whatever. Except without the hurricane. It's a hurricane without the hurricane. Ooh, who would know? Your blinker's on. You're not turning for a while. So this is 10:09. New England snowstorm, man. Well, they see the part 6, Dad. I think they would know to look at part 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Yeah, true. I never would have caught on if you guys saw the other videos. I was like, on part 4 video, somewhere there, I said that, wow, I just bought a new winter coat and, like, I'm not wearing it, but, like, look at that. Patterns. It's reversible. Yeah. Finally got smart and wore it. It was only like $30. That was with the discount. Really? Someone paying someone to plow already? Well, he's part of the town. So does this mean when he has to get out of work? I always wanted to be a snowplow driver for the town. Just driving around all day, plowing crap into people's driveway. How not? Why not? I can live with that. Sure I can. You should stop so I can fix your wipers like right now. Or don't. Because it's like breaking your wipers because they're not going down all the way. Yeah, you will when you have to replace them. It costs $350 to replace the motor. Just for one. That's what Mike had to pay to get his. Oh, well, isn't this wear and tear? Oh, okay then. Not for the motor? You hit some ice!
Yeah.
I like that sound. New York are one of the worst drivers. I like that sound when the snow. Yeah, there it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I love this. Is that a lane right now?
It's a snow-covered lane.
We should go in it.
No.
Oh, oh, ooh. Ooh. What are you going like? 0, 20, 35 miles an hour on the highway. Somehow I think this is a bad storm. Yeah, you put it in third gear.
No, I want it in third.
I said, yeah, you put it in third gear. Like, you go, Dad. You did it. Oh, yeah.
try driving right.
Oh. Can you guys hear that? I bet you can. I bet you my iPod is getting really hot right now. Yeah, you used to see it. I don't know. My iPod's been getting really warm lately when I'm charging it. Okay, I don't know which is a lane anymore. Yeah, just follow. Oh, this guy. Just follow these tracks to the street. That's a lane. Aw. Don't follow the tracks.
Yeah, 2 more miles
Oh, I see what you're doing. You don't want to go on this non-ran over lane.
You spin out and hit me, and then if I win, you will make you pay.
Oh, and he's on the cell phone. Oh!